You know, I just wouldn't be me if I didn't move every single year. So we're moving again, and this time we're moving with a piece of cake. We went to LA for Christmas to be with our families. Then we went to Tulum with our best friends for New Year's Eve, and it was lit. But as soon as we touched down, the stress began because our lease ended 2 days later. But thank God for Piece of Cake's complete packing program. It took all the stress away. We did not pack a thing. They came to our fully furnished 2-bedroom apartment, and they cleaned that thing out in 12 hours. They wrapped all of our fragile items. They labeled all of our boxes for an easier unpacking process. They wrapped all of our furniture. They disassembled it and then reassembled it in the correct places when we got there. They really did it all, and we have a lot of stuff. You never realize how much you accumulate until you move. But we love living in this apartment so much. Seriously, looking at this view every day was a dream, and we made the most beautiful memories, but we're very excited to be moving uptown. Like, can you believe the transformation? And they set up our rugs and our beds. We felt at home on our first night. I truly can't recommend them enough. If you're moving anytime soon, use Piece of Cake. They are the absolute best.